They've been outstanding. And I feel that the 1931 film with Boris Karloff as the creature, it created a very strong image in our culture and stereotype of what the creature is. And the way they treated the novel in that film is very different. And so we're looking really more into the psychology of the work, why the creature is cast out, why there's discrimination against the creature, and why the creature ultimately kills because of its animal instinct to survive.
I saw a production by a British composer, Mark Turnage, some months ago.
Ich finde, Elisabeth als Frau ist die einzige, die dann auch am Schluss versucht, mit der